Still building reports slide by slide? Copy, paste, format, repeat, every single month. Finally put a stop to the busy work. Meet SmartSlides, powered by TapClicks AI. TapClicks AI Presentation Builder brings your multi-channel data together and transforms it into stunning presentation-ready decks, complete with visuals, insights, and stories that speak for themselves. Export instantly as a PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides, so your report is ready to share anywhere, with anyone. No more late nights polishing slides, no more hours lost formatting. Stop the insanity of mindless work every month. Impress your customers. Focus on strategy, creativity, and growth. SmartSlides. From data to decks to done.